Rebroadcast of Voice of Forex is strictly prohibited without written authorization from Global FX Remote Group. All trading recommendations are meant for informational use only and are not intended to be used as advice for buying or selling in any financial and/or instrument. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, and/or information contained on this broadcast is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. Voice of Forex does not accept any loss and/or damage that may arise directly or indirectly from the content of this broadcast. You should be aware of all risks associated with foreign exchange trading and any financial market, and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you are looking for trading advice and trading ideas. Brought to you by voiceofforex.com. Wow, that's all I can say. Pound, 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 got pounded across the board. The big plan came out, and sure enough, people were dissatisfied with it, saying that they got trillions of dollars worth of problems, 100 billion is a drop in the bucket. Well, my radio show was pretty much a little bit wrong. I mean, we did have a nice trade in it last night in Asia, as we had sterling yen rally. Sterling dollar got up over, double par 18. But sure enough, as soon as the details came out, they really didn't like that package. And sure enough, the pound Swiss, pound Aussie, euro sterling, what a move. Wow. Big reversal in euro sterling to the upside. I guess, we're looking like 81, another big spot, just like it's going to run for that. We take out 81, look for 83. Quick announcement, just so you know, I'm not guaranteeing I'm going to do a show every day. Hopefully I'm going to try and do one every day, but it's not necessarily a guarantee. So, I would encourage everyone to subscribe to my program and on YouTube, and that way you get an email every time I put a video on YouTube. But in addition to that, what I'm going to be doing starting tomorrow, we're going to have part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is going to be only charts. I'm going to give you 10 minutes of me going through all the yen carry trades, and I might even do it tonight, I'm not sure. All the yen carry trades as well as maybe the euro, I'm not sure. But I'm going to give you the charts like I did the other day. I'm going to do that every day. So part 1 is going to be me giving you the macro and as well as what's going on, and then part 2 is going to be just the charts, as we can see here. Well, that's CNBC. So, the very important date today again, ECB President Jean-Claude Trichet coming out, basically giving us the same line. Price stability, price stability. Some of the interesting comments, though, I have to say from Trichet, very interesting comments. One, price stability, the stability pact by the Eurozone, 15-nation economy, all of a sudden, he's saying they're going to go from 0.8, possibly higher next year. So they're starting to break their budget rules, and that's not going to be good for a long-term euro holder. So you want to be watching out for any signs of that coming up. In addition, what I thought was very interesting was the fact that they sold gold in 2007. And one of the things Trichet said today was that they're buying yen with it. They're buying yen with it, and they're buying dollars. So any gold sales, one could infer from that, any gold sales are probably going to continue to go in that direction. And what that says to me is intervention. It's a stealth form of intervention. They're selling gold, they're gold holdings, ECB gold holdings, and they're buying yen. Euro yen, take a look at the chart. I'm going to do it hopefully today. Wow. This thing is right at our top of our channel line. This baby looks like it's probably maybe going to go higher, but you get those wicks on the candle, it's getting a little tired. And the stock market's getting a little tired. How about tomorrow's Tuesday? Anyone ever hear of Turnaround Tuesday? Well, this euro yen certainly could be very interesting to take a look at today. Other news that came out, Australia, highly expected PPI, Aussie dollar, Aussie yen also showing some signs of a possible reversal there. Aussie yen, top of the channel to you. Draw that channel on the daily, right there. So Aussie dollar, big spot, this 94.50 we said, might be failing a little bit. I don't know, this Aussie dollar looking a little tired also to me. Gold was down today, not significantly, but it was down. Dennis Gartman got rid of all his gold holdings. That says something. So gold, I think, continues to drop lower. 960 is my big spot on gold to the upside, and now I think like 8, I believe it's 880 on a channel line. 880, gold breaks 880, say goodbye. So gold, this 960 level looks very interesting to me. But you get a gold meltdown, that should be dollar positive as well. Oil, Japan and Yemen, one of their tankers got hit by a missile. Oil going through the roof. Oil, it looks like it's going up to probably around 120. If you measure the move from the highs of, 109 down to 99 or 108 to 99, that move, measure it up, we're going to 120. Just a foregone conclusion. That is the inflation-adjusted high for oil. It just looks like we're going to gravitate toward it. Boone Pickens is probably going to be selling his right around there, even though he said 125, which, whatever. So Very important day today again. We had Bank of America coming out in the morning. Came out with really horrible numbers. I mean, they raised more capital. National City came out and they had to hire, that stock was down $2. They had to raise more capital, sell a bunch of dilutive shares, and then we had CIT Group doing it after the close today. So again, we're getting more capital coming into the United States, but where are these earnings going to come to support all this capital infusion? I don't get it. I don't get the market enthusiasm for this stuff. That's my point. I understand what's going on. I just don't understand going forward how they're going to support all that capital, because remember, they got to earn money for that capital. It's all dilutive. It's just all bad. And with no leverage, with no liquidity, how are banks going to make money even after the subprime disaster is over? I just don't see it. So anyway, that's just my own little rant. But getting again focused on our markets, foreign exchange, euro dollar, tremendous day on the upside. Euro sterling, tremendous day on the upside. Euro dollar, looking, again, over 159.50, 159.60. We're probably going to run up to 160, and I got a channel line resistance at 160.30. So we rip through 160. We're going to slice through that like butter if we do. And I would say 160.30 is a great spot to probably maybe look to fade that. But we'll see. Again, disciplined money management the key. Euro dollar gets through 160. A lot of stops there, people. Getting you to, again, other pairs out there, dollar Canada, big rate decision tomorrow. I would expect the dollar Canada to push higher. I think the loonie would probably weaken ahead of this event, and I think they're going to be done. With commodity price, oil going up so much, I think Bank of Canada is done, and their statement's going to be key tomorrow. It's at 9 a.m. Eastern, big number. U.S. numbers coming out tomorrow. Yeah, the home price, we all know home prices are going to be bad, but how bad are they? And look for the stock market. If we're up in the morning for some reason big into this 10 o'clock number, I think we have a turnaround Tuesday and we sell off along with the carry trade. So check that out. Again, but Case-Shiller House Price Index, new home sales, I believe, coming out. Big data, the TAP auction also coming out, results of that. So big stuff going on there. Not much coming out of the Eurozone tonight. And again, even in Asia, not much on the board. So again, keys. Any announcements by banks, any possible announcements, any reaction? Lehman Brothers goes to a sell on the pound, by the way. That's one of the reasons why I think the pound got killed. But how many times have you seen banks go to a sale and it works the first day and then you get killed the second day? So watch out on that pound. Watch that euro sterling and make some money. I'll see you tomorrow. Andrew Spanton. There's only one voice in our market and you listen to it. Have a good night.